Good morning, everyone. How to create data pipeline in the Fabric. Way of method to create the data pipeline in the Fabric. There are 4 steps. In first step, you have to log on to the Fabric. Open the Fabric account. Log on with your Fabric account. Go to your workspaces. Select your desired workspace. Click New Item. Give the human appropriate name. Build a pipeline to organize and move your data. There are 3 ways you can move your data. First, the pipeline activity. You have to create the activity, and it is a no-code activity, so it is a drag down. It will be easy to assist or easy to create. The copy data assistant. This is the wizard. In this wizard, will ask you the question and set your source and destination tables. It as it is a wizard, so you do not need to panic over here. Practice with the sample data. It will load the sample data into your data warehouse or data lake, and this is just for practice, or you can use the template. So I can use the pipeline activity. What I'm doing, copy data. I'm using the copy data. My pipeline is here. Now this area is called canvas. When I click over here, my you have to pull it at upside and give the proper name for your pipe copy activity. Copy activity 1. Give the proper description if you want. Activate status. This pipeline, this activity is activated in this pipeline. I need to deactivate, or if I need to deactivate, I can do it from here. The number of retry, if something happen, if the table is busy, if the data table is locked, so how many number of time it will retry. In the advanced, you can see the interval time. The next run will be done after 30 seconds. The source bar. I need to select the source. You can select any source. If you want to load the data from the file and folder, you can select over here. If you want to load the data from the different databases, so you can create the just simple ODBC connection, OLEDB connection. There are a lot of connector available here. You can pick and choose. But I'm going to load my data from my lakehouse. I will select my lakehouse, Lake 25 January. Now the file type is my data type is a file. There is a file which I want to load it from my data lake to my table or somewhere. So when I click browse, it will open the loaded files. These files are already uploaded to my lakehouse. My lakehouse has 2 files, the artificial HES data and the patient data for 100 rows. For example, I need to load this file. Select the file, click OK. You can see the patient file proper file name comes here, and I need to set the file type. It is a CSV file. I can go to the delimited text file. My source is completed. I can preview my data as well. Yes, everything looks good. Now I have to select the one means this task has to be fixed. Now I can click the destination. In the destination, I can choose the browse on. What should be my destination? So I need to select my destination. Over here I can see my destination is again my lake house. It is a bronze layer, and now I'm taking the data from the text file and loading into the Parquet table. So I have to select the table, and I will create a new table. New table. Create a new table. When the job will run, it will create a new table. We need to append the file in that table. Now I need to go to mapping, import schema. It's just like simple to Microsoft Excel. Schema is okay, looks good. Now we need to save this. Click on the save, right left top. The file will save and validate the all the activities. You can see over here the save sign is up here. Now I can confirm the validation is confirmed. The I can run this pipeline. It will take a while. Click over the output so you can monitor your pipeline, how it is performing and everything is going on. The pipeline is in queue. You can see the in progress and succeeded. Now we can see, you can see the pipeline is completed. Click on the workspace, then find your lake house. This is my lake house. Click the DBO. Tables. If you remember, we had created a new table, and the table is here. You can see, and data will appears on the right hand canvas. We have successfully imported our data into the table. The pipeline activity is complete. Thank you. Bye.